Hi everyone, this is Maisha here, and today we're going to be finding a missing side by using SOH CAH TOA, also known as trigonometry. So the first thing that you need to know is that it must have a side given. Your right angle triangle must have a side given, and it also should have an acute angle given. So in this triangle is completely blank right now, but I'll show you what I mean by that. So for example, this side is our 40-degree angle, and one of the side can be given. So let's say that the hypotenuse equals to 10 centimeters. Yeah. So first things first, I need to label this right angle triangle. So I'm going to call it A, B, C, because my length A and B is hypotenuse, and the angle given here is 40-degree. Right next to it, this should be my adjacent, and that's my opposite. Okay, so the missing side that I want to find, the length that I want to find is this, the opposite side. I can find also adjacent if you guys want, but let's try and find opposite. So how would I find that? Okay, so that means for this triangle, I've got my hypotenuse and opposite. Which one of these formulas has hypotenuse and opposite? Is it CAH? Is it cos of x equals to adjacent over hypotenuse? No. Is it so? Sine of x equals to opposite over hypotenuse? Yes, because I need to find my opposite. I do have the value of the angle and I do know my hypotenuse. So it must be so that I can use. So sine of x equals to opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of x is going to be 40, sine of 40. Opposite is the one that I'm trying to find, over 10. Now, this is just a simple equation, so I just need to move my 10 because it's being divided here. I'll just move it to the other side and it's going to multiply. So it's going to be sine of 40 multiplied by 10 equals to opposite. So what is the length BC? Obviously, opposite is my length BC. That is, so sine of 40 times by 10, just plug this into your calculator. Sine of 40 times by 10, that gives me 6.42, 6.4278 opposite, yeah? If we want to keep our answer to 3 significant figures, that's going to be 6.43 centimeters. So my opposite side is equivalent to 6.43 centimeters. Okay, let's try and do an example here. Okay, you can pause the video if you want to read the question. I'll try and solve it right now. First things first, we need to label our right angle triangle as always. So what's the opposite to the right angle? That's the hypotenuse, right? Hypotenuse. This is the angle that's been given. That means this must be my adjacent. This side BC is adjacent and AB will be my opposite. Angle ABC is 90 degree. ABC, yes. Angle ACB is 24. AC is 6.2 centimeter. We need to calculate the length. We need to calculate the length of BC, of this length here. And we need to give our answer to 3 significant figures. Okay, so which one of SOH CAH TOA can I use to find this? I know that I need to use trigonometry because I have a side given and I also have an angle given. So it means that I need to use trigonometry to find the missing side, which is our adjacent. Can I use so? For so, I need to have the opposite and hypotenuse. I don't know what the opposite side length, the value is. I do know for hypotenuse, so this is not going to work because we need to have all the values for it to work. So in this case, CA, let's try. So I need to find my adjacent, and I have the value of hypotenuse as well as my degree angle. So it's CA that I need to use. So cos of x, in this case it's 24, equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. Cos of 24 equals to, adjacent is still what I need to find, over 6.2. So again, I just need to get rid of this 6.2. I need to multiply it to the other side. So it's going to be cos of 24 multiplied by 6.2 equal to adjacent. So what's my BC? What's my BC, length BC? Let's try it on our calculator. Cos of 24 times by 6.2. 5.66391, etc. Yeah, so that's my length BC, or adjacent, same thing. Because I need my final answer to be given to correct 3 significant figures, this is going to be 5.66 centimeters. And that's my final answer. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next video.